Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Granny here, and today I will show you a cool tool which I made, and it's called VCF Journey Planner. This tool will help you to deploy VCF in your environment. So let's have a look. First thing, you go to my blog, which is angrysysops.com, and in that blog you go to VCF roadmap section. And here's the planner. The planner is interactive tool, so you can see that we have a section like prerequisites, plan and prepare, deploy, licensing, and add vCenters. Also, you can download roadmap in PDF format, so you can print this out. Now, let's start. In the very first prepare phase, we have a software requirements, hardware requirements, Broadcom account, and the licensing. Once you're happy, click next. This phase is a plan and prepare. And what's cool about this planner is that you can read through the instructions and you have tasks. So we see that the plan and prepare phase has two tasks. One is download VCF installer and the network and server configuration. Now, if you're working with the team, you can go to notes and you can delegate. You can say, please download binary files. You can assign to, let's say, Kevin, and the date 27th March 2026. I mark this as an in progress. What's brilliant about this tool is that it will save your progress. So if we close it down and we reopen, the progress will be saved. So as you see, we already check the requirements. And if we check the phase 1, if we check phase 1, we can see it's in progress, and we check our notes and everything is there. And once the task is finished, click on complete. You don't need to complete to go to another stage, because you can schedule your work as you like. But if you follow these guidance, you will get step-by-step deployment phases. Head to angrysysops.com, click on VCF roadmap, and use this tool. You can also reset the progress if you need to. You can also see the roadmap as a whole. You can download to PDF, and that's it. Guys, I think that's deserve like and subscription. Thank you. Bye.